Good morning, Saturday morning. What is it? It's May 1st. Excellent. No, it's June 1st. Good. May's not been that warm, so hopefully we get some warmer weather coming up. I'm about to open the pool and all that good stuff. May 1st, Crypto Corner News. Rip and read. I haven't gone through this, so we're all new and in this together at the same time. So 8:22 a.m. The little guy is still sleeping, so we'll try to get through this before he wakes up and starts my day. Okay, so the Bitcoin news: choose where to buy cryptocurrencies using Exchangify. Boy, they're really coming up with some fancy names for these things. So that's a lovely picture. Looks like the computer room. Purchasing cryptocurrencies often involves using the services of a digital asset exchange. Such trading platforms typically differ in terms of features, listed coins, and supported fiat currencies. Exchangify.io is a website that can help you find the best option in your region. Also read cryptocurrency.alerting.com will notify you of price movements website selects exchanges according to things and people and computer algorithms, probably. Okay, so there we go. Exchangify. And what's next? Bitcoin price at major inflection point as traders eye gains above 9K. Woo! Well, currently at this very moment in time, we are trading American style at 85.45. That's all right. It's always all right. Up or down, it doesn't matter. Look at this lovely iron rod fence. Bitcoin price bounced back to hold above 8,500 on June 1st. Well, that's today. Yes, it is above 8,500, like I just said. Calming the market fears that a pullback earlier this week would trigger a more serious reversal. Bitcoin daily closes above expectations data from cryptocurrency exchange Bitstamp, which tracks a more conservative Bitcoin price than most tickers, placed BTC USD at 85.40 as of press time Saturday. Okay. Not very exciting content right there. But look at that. Digits. Biggest heist in Bitcoin history and how they were pulled off. Oh boy. Yeah, there's a fun story to read. You know, it doesn't matter what it is. To money, like fiat money, cryptocurrencies, there's always going to be some person trying to rob you of your riches, whether it's change in your pocket at the street corner, the grocery, the variety store, gas station, or some sort of Bitcoin heist. There's no shortage of people that want to do that. So if you tell me cryptocurrency isn't secure, neither is the money in your wallet. Okay, Bitcoin's history is rife with hacks and heists, sometimes resulting in six-figure Bitcoin losses and businesses going bankrupt. Well, that's the same with fiat money, unable to pay their customers back, right? A new video by Bitcoin.com explores the largest Bitcoin heist in history and explains how each one was pulled off. Well, that looks like a good Netflix documentary. I watched, I think, I don't know if it was called Silk Road, but it was about Silk Road. But that was when the early days of Bitcoin and the dark web and all that stuff. I'm sure there's always going to be criminals. All right. Makes up a diverse world we live in. Binance Research, non-crypto public is now getting into Bitcoin. What does that mean? It means people that are not really involved with crypto are now getting involved with crypto into Bitcoin, the big three, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and was it Ripple maybe is the big three? I don't know. Could be. Okay, institutional demand for crypto assets is decisively starting to affect the crypto space. Bitcoin remains the bellwether of the industry. Well, data showing that the crypto market has already bottomed out is becoming more explicit, according to Binance Research. Institutional appetite for crypto is skyrocketing. The crypto industry will continue to gain momentum. Yes, yes, yes. For the next 20, 30, 40 years, it's going to be some crazy times, I tell you. Who knows where it's going to take us. Yeah, a lot of people are really not with crypto or Bitcoin. Or last Saturday I read an article about university students would rather have $1 than one Bitcoin because they know how to spend $1 instantly, and they're not sure how to spend a Bitcoin or a portion of Bitcoin. Anyways, so that's that. It's a lack of education right now. It's certainly not a mainstream topic or item or tangible asset that people see it as. Okay, so anyways, by failing Deutsche Bank with Bitcoin suggests fund managers. So the fund managers saying, buy this failing bank with Bitcoin because obviously money doesn't work for us anymore. The thing about money is it costs money to mint the stuff. So when it's procured by the government or whoever gets money from the mint, it already costs money. So you're already down when it comes into the public. You already owe. So it's a constant circle of doom when it comes to money, and they try to keep the wraps on it. But that's why we probably, I think, has something to do with inflation. I'm not that good with global currency markets and all that. I'm just reading the news. It's candid. All right. So Frankfurt-based multinational investment bank Deutsche Bank has seen its stock price decline over the past 5 years with no signs of revival. Maybe Creedence Clearwater can help them out with their revival tour. Okay, anyways. Popular cryptocurrency fund manager Anthony Pompliano says that it would be interesting if people put their Bitcoin together and bought it out. Deutsche Bank stocks in a free fall. Well, I'm not buying the bank. That's why we switched to Bitcoin, to get away from the banking industry. Let's see. North Korean hackers attack Upbit users in South Korea. Do they even have computers in North Korea? North Korean hackers have made a phishing attempt on users of the South Korean crypto exchange Upbit. News correspondents in Korea broke this development on May 29th, yesterday, detailing, a couple of days ago, detailing the ploy to steal Upbit's users' information. My goodness. The hackers sent out an email claiming that Upbit users needed to submit more information to become eligible for, it's a phishing scam right now. If you see an email with a link to update your passwords, and don't click on it, go directly to your address bar and type in the address of the website in which you would like to visit and log into. Do not enter your email and details into a link that was sent to you in some way. Go to the original content website. Make sure you see HTTPS for secure before the address. These phishing, it's easy to avoid a phishing scam. So even on the phone, people call you and try to fish out information about your credit cards and stuff. So it's easy to avoid that stuff. Don't do it. Okay. Bitcoin price analysis. Bullish market structure upheld following strong sell-off. Yeah, okay. It's just another news cycle about going up and down. Although we have a strong sell-off yesterday, the bullish market structure has yet to be violated. Sounds so violent. Okay, the weekly support has been confirmed for the time being, and our parabolic advance is still intact. We are currently failing to hold support in the 8500s for our intraday market structure. That's just boring news, really. This looks interesting. Testing the non-custodial button wallet with the Bitcoin Cash over Telegram Messenger. What does that really mean? Okay, users of the Telegram-infused cryptocurrency button wallet can now purchase digital assets through its partnership with the payment processor Wire. Button Wallet allows users to store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin Cash, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and Litecoin, and ETC. Now, I'm not sure what ETC is. Ethereum, I think it's Ethereum Classic through Telegram messaging app. Really? So we can store, send, and receive cryptocurrencies through Telegram? I don't know if I want to do that. You don't need to spread all kinds of different ways of doing things through your phone. Man, you lose that phone, you better have a secure wallet. The following is an in-depth review of my experience in using Button Wallet. Well, I'm not going to go to this guy's review, but you could go to the bitcoinnews.com, testing the non-custodial button wallet with BCH over Telegram. That's a long thing to say. All right, well, good luck finding that. Okay, high Bitcoin fees. Binance just moved 550 million for $5. Wow, it's a lot of Bitcoin. That looks like an empty cargo ship, or is it full? Is it even a cargo ship? Bitcoin's benefits over fiat unexpectedly hit the spotlight again May 31st after cryptocurrency exchange Binance generated a giant transaction while moving funds. Bitcoin moves 500 million in minutes data from whale alerts. What? Bitcoin moves 500 million in minutes data from whale alerts, which monitors transactions on cryptocurrency blockchains, initially worried commentators after showing a series of transactions worth over 500 million. This was an outrage. It's an outcry. We're just offended for the people that really don't care. Anyways, Binance owns their own exchange, so I suppose they can move their own money for a pretty cheap rate. I don't know. I don't care. Where are we? We're down to the last thing. Op-ed Bitcoin in Africa. What needs to be done to encourage adoption? Let's see. Bitcoin has the potential to revolutionize the African continent. Through Bitcoin, millions of unbanked Africans will have access to financial services. These and many more such statements exist across the internet. All these statements are true, but despite all the benefits that Bitcoin is expected to bring to African countries, adoption levels in Africa continue to remain dismal because there's a lack of education in crypto and all that stuff. But if you want to know more about crypto, how I use my strategies to make some mostly winning trades, I would say I win my trades more than 95% of the time. I'm not a mathematician, but I win more than I lose, and there's reasons why that is, and it's not that hard. And plus, you can get news and reviews and what's going on in the crypto world, stay updated and all that good stuff. So right here, and you can learn to profit with some neat things that I've got going on. So hey, put your email address, get it here, and share your love. We love you. Thanks for listening. It's Saturday, and I got a couple of other videos to make. and review about cashing in on the Canadian crypto space, because it's really hard for Canadians to do that. It seems in America, it's easy to put Bitcoin back into your bank account, but I think Canada is just a little bit behind, and there are some resolves for that I'm going to do some videos for. So that's great, and we'll talk to you soon, and I'll post those reviews here as well in my list for you guys. Okay, thanks, man. I'll see you later.